What's going on YouTube? So I was searching YouTube for this Bialetti 12 cup coffee maker, and no one had a video on it, so decided to throw one real quick. This was $32 before tax at Big5, and I wanted to do some review, or just like an overview on it. And it's licensed. As you can see, it's made by Sensio, using the Bialetti mocha pot name. Here it is in action. You can see it's almost done burning here, but you can see buttons are very simple. It's a little drip coffee system. So inside of here, you just pour water, and then inside of here, it's all plastic. It's brewing, so let me close that real quick. Inside of there, let's shut this off. Inside of there, it's kind of hard to see, but you have the nozzles for hot water to drip through the coffee itself. There, I'm only running like couple cups here. This is a removable mesh insert with a handle, like so. So filter's not needed. This part, this bigger chapter ring, is just a removable piece that interfaces with the top of the lid. And what they advertise is that little spout that mixes coffee. So I made a weak batch here, but it works. Super simple coffee maker. The LED here is actually really nice. It's just this white LED. It's kind of hard to see on camera. There you go. Yeah, stainless steel is just a cover. Oh, it's got a heated plate. It's pretty much the same thing as like a Mr. Coffee machine. Yeah, it's nothing fancy. It just makes drip coffee for $30. So comes with like this little scoop as well. So that's all it comes with. This scoop, the mesh filter replacement, which you can buy for a Mr. Coffee machine, and just everything you see here. And this is just multiple languages. It's like 2 pages long, and it's programmable for tomorrow, I guess. I haven't used it yet. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's pretty simple unit. $30 seems like a good deal at Big5. It's almost never this price. It's almost always on sale. So don't pay that unless you're on Amazon. It's like $64 or something. So yeah. Let me know if you have any questions.